Hi, I'm Ryan Dorman with Remax. How are you? I'm so excited for this snow. I'm going to go out and shovel some driveways like I did back in the 1980 for 25 cents. So I got my shovels here. I'm in Carmel at the Lakes at Hazeldales. I'm shoveling driveways for 25 cents. So let's go see if somebody will let me hire me today. So I just knocked on this family's door here. They look like they got a sidewalk that needs to be shoveled here. So let's see if I can help somebody today in Carmel. All right, I think I might have a customer here. Hello, sir. I'm Ryan Dorman.
Get out of here.
And
I told you I don't want any.
Excuse me.
Get lost.
Hey. Sir, I'm shoveling driveways for 25 cents. And sidewalks too, right here for 25 cents. I'd like to do that for you today.
No, thank you.
Would you take it?
Nah, I do it myself. I'm not interested. Would you?
Cents. All right.
Oh, okay, yeah, I'll do it. Yeah, sure. 25 cents.
So we're going to shovel his sidewalk here, because we got to get all this sidewalk clear for him. And so we're going to make this the best sidewalk today. And clear off his sidewalk here. Look at this. All right, so we're shoveling the sidewalk and it's going pretty well. So I was really good at this. This is my first entrepreneurial experience. When I was 5 years old, I went around in snowstorms and shoveled everybody's driveway. So let's see how it works. All right, so here's the driveway. It's complete here, or the sidewalk, and I've got it all shoveled from all the way here to the house to the garage and the driveway. So I'm going to get the front too. All right, so now we're doing the front sidewalk here, because that's an ordinance that you're supposed to shovel your sidewalk here in Carmel. So we're going to get this all shoveled. All right, so we'll see if we have a happy customer. So now the sidewalk is complete. So let's go see if he'll pay us 25 cents for this great work I did today. All right, I completed the work for you, sir. I appreciate you hiring me for this great job.
You got it, man.
And it'll be 25 cents today.
For real?
Yeah.
Okay. Here, I just happen to have that on me. Here you go.
All right, thank you.
No problem.
Hey, do you have any other work you need done?
Yeah, can you come back at the same time tomorrow?
Yeah.
And shovel my driveway again for 25 cents?
Yeah, I can do that.
Great.
Let me give you my business card. And if you just give me a call here, I'm Ryan Dorman.
Cool, thanks.
And nice doing business with you,
You too,
sir.
bud. Yeah, appreciate it.
Yeah, have a great Sunday, or Saturday here.
You too, thanks.
All right. Hi, this is Ryan Dorman here again. I've done about 12 driveways so far today during this blizzard for free. And I'm so excited. I love to work. So thank you for all the people that have hired me for free to help them. And I love that. Thank you. So we're having a great time, and here's one of the driveways I've just completed. All right. Have a good day. Enjoy the snow. Well, that was it today. I shoveled a lot of driveways, and I'm heading back home. And I really feel like I helped a lot of people out. I even helped lady that was pregnant. So I did a double good deed. So I just wanted to let you know that. And if I can help you do anything, cut grass, sell houses, mulch, whatever, you call me. I'm dependable. The answer is yes. All right, and I'm Ryan Dorman. And thanks, this is what's going on today. Snowstorm all over. Look at how beautiful it is though. All right, have a great great Saturday. And I'd love to hear from you. Bye.